marks. Ramu works in a school canteen. The owner of the canteen asked him to make a record of the number of items sold every day. He started recording the data like this. When one item is sold, he written 1 against it. When 2 items are sold, he strikes off 1 and writes 2 against it. When 3 items are sold, he strikes off 2 and writes 3 against it. At the end of the day, he shared his record with his owner. Look at the table. Do you think Ramu is using a correct way to maintain the records? Can you suggest an alternative method which is easier to read and understand? What if instead of numbers, he puts straight vertical lines like this? Will it make any difference? Let's see. Suppose for 1, he puts a line like this. For 2, he puts 2 lines like this. For 3, he puts 3 lines like this. For 4, he puts 4 lines like this. And to represent 5, he puts 4 lines and then strikes them off diagonally like this. These are known as tally marks. Tally marks are a method of representing frequencies in the form of tallies, usually marked in bunch of 5. Let's add another column to the table and use tally marks to represent the frequencies. To show 15 sandwiches, we will write tally marks of 5 3 times. To show 8 cold drinks, we will write a tally mark of 5, then 3 separate tallies. It will form 8 altogether. To show 5 chocolates, we will simply write a tally mark of 5. To show 10 burgers, we will write tally mark of 5 2 times. To show 4 packets of chips, we will write 4 separate tallies. Now if we compare these two columns, then which one would you prefer to read? I'm sure you will choose this one because clearly this representation is much easier to read and understand. This means that when the observations are large, it may not be easy to find the frequencies by simply counting. So in such a case, tally marks makes representation of frequencies easier and readable.